morning. Welcome to Mathematics Skills Book 3, Lesson 13, Addition Properties. Objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to know and differentiate the properties of addition. And lastly, you can answer worksheet activities independently. Materials. So these are the materials you need for this lesson. First, you need your worksheet in Mathematics Skills Book 3, Set 1. And of course, you need your pencil. And you need either a tablet or a cell phone. Worksheet. So take note of these pages of your workbook because this will serve as your guide and you are going to answer these pages after this lesson. Okay, here are the things you need to do. First, you have to watch the video about the properties of addition posted next to this slide. Then, you will going to answer the activities posted at the end of this video. And now let's watch the video about the addition properties.
We are talking about addition properties. Now these are really fancy words for things that students are already doing in math. Now in third grade, you are not required to know these words. It says in the state standard that formal identifiers, formal words are not needed to be memorized. So be sure you know that. I will not be taking points away from students that don't remember what they're called if they know how to use them, these properties. The first property is commutative. Commutative. I let my students know that it's very similar to having a commute because if you add numbers in one direction, just like going to work in one direction, it is the same when you go back the other way. So the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 will equal 6, just as 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. It doesn't matter which way they go. Commutative property says they will be equal either way. Now, the next property is associative. Associative is all about grouping with parentheses. Parentheses. Whoa, I made it. Now, parentheses, I tell my students, I told them today, you want to make sure you say these numbers first. So anything in the parentheses need to be done first. If you have a problem, a math problem like 3 plus 1 plus 2, you're going to solve the 3 plus 1 first because they're in the parentheses. You want to whisper those first. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is going to be the same, even if you write it with a 3 plus the sum of 1 plus 2. If you whisper 1 plus 2 first, you're still going to get 3 plus 3, which is 6. So the associative property shows you that no matter how you group with parentheses, as long as it's all addition, the grouping only makes it easier to add. That's all. Now the identity is the most straightforward. The identity property is all about proving a number's identity. And when you, the identity property of addition says if you add a 0 to any number, it will be itself. And that's all. So recognizing these things, recognizing these properties, is what we are introducing in class today, and we'll be working with this week as we learn more about addition for 3rd grade.
Well done. And now it's activity time. Now for your activity, you have to answer pages 17 and 18 of your worksheet in Skills Book Step 1. So here are the pages. Make sure you read and follow instruction. And when done, take a photo of each answered page and submit to Dojo. And don't forget to have fun. I know you can do it, so do your best.